All right, everybody, welcome to your CYU here, a bloody conflict. So using the lesson of bloody conflict, I want you to answer the questions that are below in your own words. So you'll see that is bolded and underlined, right? So please do not Google outside sources. Do not Google what these questions are, because I will be able to tell that you Googled your answers. I will be looking for people to be copying their answers. So if you think that I'm not going to notice that you copied your answers or that you Googled them, I will know. Okay? So I'm not trying to sound like a jerk or sound mean, but you need to answer these in your own words because I will not give you full credit for Googling and copying answers from outside websites or from outside places. Okay, with that said, number one, explain what fighting was like in World War I. Number two, what were the 14 points? Number three, describe how Germany was treated in the Treaty of Versailles. Number four, what was the goal of the League of Nations? And number five, why did the US not join the League of Nations? And then you do have extra credit there. Why do you think World War I is called the Great War?